y'all, come look at this.
So you want to download RAM for free. Who doesn't want that?
It is free RAM.
So let me introduce a site that will revolutionize the RAM industry. Are you ready? Of course you are. So fire up a browser and go to downloadmoreram.com. Now haters be like, hold up, this sounds like a legit scam. Or maybe this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Yeah, whatever. I've been through some hard times because of my RAM, but this site literally saved me and my PC. Back then, Chrome would freeze after just opening one tab. Hell, I couldn't even load a YouTube video. But now, oh boy, I can open hundreds if not thousands of Chrome tabs at once. And I can even play 8K videos on YouTube. Now to download RAM, select the amount of RAM you would like to download. For reference, I have 12 GB of RAM and I will download 32 GB of RAM. So let's select the 32 GB and click on download. Ta-da! You have successfully downloaded RAM. Or have you? Let's check. Let me open up the task manager.